Too many promises, that complaint from several tourism stakeholders in Negril over the delayed upgrades at the Negril Beach Park. It has been promised several developments for over a decade, which are still outstanding. Ramarda Lyons has that story.
White sand beaches that leave a lasting impression on visitors. Some behind bars, but only imprisoned to a good time. Even a stroll along the shoreline makes a plane ticket worth it. From children to adults. Negril in Westmoreland. The tourists love it, but hoteliers want more, especially outside the resorts. Now, if you travel along the Negril Strip, you may end up here. This is the Negril Beach Park, an area promised many developments. It's a sore point for hoteliers and some smaller tourism players. Why? Years have passed and promises have remained promises. A 2015 JIS article says, then Tourism Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says 14 beaches across the island were being targeted at the time for development. This included the Norman Manley Beach Park in Negril, also called the Negril Beach Park, where he said design work was being completed. The facilities expected to be provided included children's play areas, seating with tables, picnic areas and gazebos, restrooms and changing rooms, and sufficient parking, among others. All of that's absent today. Some of the only seats available, rust-riddled, stone tables and chairs closer to the beach. Hoteliers say the scant regard is affecting the smaller tourism players. Daniel Grizzle has been in Negril for 51 years.
We need a park. The land is there. We need a park for our citizens. And we need nothing less than what you have in Montego Bay. That's a beautiful park. We see no reason why we should have anything less than that here. How long is it since we've been promised? How long can it take?
Cliff Reynolds operated 3 restaurants in Negril up until 2018.
They have a little place down there with a couple bathrooms, which is not even up to a particular standard. There's no proper infrastructure there for persons to go and utilize a park. And for a resort area that generates so much money and so much persons over the years travel to, I think governments over the years have treated Negril very, very bad.
The issue, he says, isn't new. Now, in his sectoral debate in the House of Representatives on April 18, 2023, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett said Negril was the next location to benefit from a major park development.
With the Prime Minister's program, Negril will be the next major park development like the Harmony Park in Montego Bay, and that will be coming soon.
Today, the park is still not up and running, but these tourists are still utilizing the space.
First of all, I think maybe to clean the trash and everything, to be a better place, maybe some installation for the local people, to be a nice beach for the local people is good. The rest of the beach, it was only for the resorts and everything, so I think if we have a public space for people and families and everything, it's going to be nice.
And it was very beautiful, the sand, the beach, the rest, the sunset, it's very beautiful. We saw that maybe we would like to have a space to sit or to see the sunset, but the rest, yeah.
The craft market is across from the park. Craft vendors say the lack of upkeep at the park is a problem because it means missing out on potential traffic.
This is really unfair to us craft traders. Edmund Bartlett always talk about the millions of tourists coming into Jamaica. We craft traders are suffering because the only thing we're getting sometimes is the little crumbs that fell off the table.
Every year they're going to fix it. Make it beautiful, the stores can come over, big, nice, pretty park every year, and it remains the same way. Now we're getting worse and worse now. Now, every day you come, you sit down, very weird when tourists come in now, we can make something really bad.
Tomorrow we hear more concerns from hoteliers and the tourism ministry responds. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.
Now, coming up in this newscast, U.S. President Donald Trump says he will reduce tariffs on Indian goods in exchange for their promise to stop buying Russian oil. We'll be right back.